Hello guys, this is Vidya from CSE department, section B. My registration number URK17 CS100. Today we are going to see about web page design using Advanced CSS3. So firstly we need to create a web page using proper HTML5 and CSS3. So let's get started. Firstly you need to create a project, that is HTML project, and then here I'm going to say HTML head, in which I'm giving title, and then I'm giving style. Here only I'm creating everything instead of creating another CSS file sheet. I'm just doing it here in the HTML page itself. So I'm giving it a style, and here I'm giving margin as 0 pixel, and header I'm giving the background image, which is this image. I'm giving it as linear gradient, which means that it uses the gradient linear color. That is, I'm giving the colors as purple, light blue and white, and then the borders color, style, text align and border radius. I'm giving everything for header. And now here for unordered list, I'm giving it as a list style type, which says that it's none. And then here I'm giving the display as inline block, which means it will be inside the block. And then here I'm giving the width, height and border color, and text align, font size and border radius. Border radius and all these are important because we will be seeing that because of this only we can adjust the timing, and we can adjust the pictures accordingly. And here also I am giving the unordered list as background image, linear gradient and purple, light blue and purple. So here I am giving the opacity, and also I am giving the text decoration as none and color as red. Here I am hovering the list, that is I am giving the background color as white. So D1 I have created, I am having the D1, that is hash D1. So here I am giving the position as absolute. So which means it will be fixed. It's almost fixed, it's relative to the fixed. So I am giving it as height, width and left. And background image I am giving the URL of the image, and then top I am giving the 9 pixel. For D2 also I am going to do the same thing. Width is equal to 100%, background image URL, and the background repeat is no repeat, and then the background size. For D3 I am giving again the position as absolute, and then I am going to give it enter the thing. So in S1 also I am giving the width, height, position, left, right, top, bottom, right image, tab, padding top and all this stuff. And in S2 also I am going to give the same things, but I am just changing the colors here. Here I have given red, blue and violet, but here I am going to give the colors as blue, violet and yellow green. So in S3 also I am doing the same thing. S4 I am performing the same thing. D11 also here, this one the image will be fixed here. Even though if you scroll down the page, the image will be fixed. That is known as CSS position. So position I am giving it as fixed. So D11 only one, that is here the image which is going to be fixed here, it will be fixed even though if you scroll the page. So in image 1 also I am giving the border color, position as relative, and then I am scrolling it. And for image 2 also I am giving the position as relative. I am following it for image 3 and pink also, and image 4. So till here we have done styling of the CSS. So we are closing the style and head. So now here it comes to border, in which I am going to declare all the IDs. So here I am giving the ID as D1, in which I am giving the header as Karani University, and then here I am giving the href, that is first HTML and second HTML, third HTML and fourth HTML as home, admissions, calendar and student. Here ID2, D2, D3 I am giving everything, and here also I am creating the IDs as S1, S2, S3, S4 and D11, in which I am sending the video link. I want D11 to be the video which is fixed there. So I am giving the position as fixed, and here I am giving the iframe width as iframe source as the link. So here I am also giving frame order 0 inches and 0 pixel 0, and then I am doing the same thing for image source, and for all the images, that is for all the IDs as image 1, D1, D2 and pink and green, all this stuff. So we are also giving attachments are preview, here we are given the external attachments. So for this we are just writing it outside the HTML. In this way we are going to do it. So let's check the output. So you are going to run the output. So here I have got Karanyu University. This is the linear gradient colors: blue, purple, white, and white, purple, blue, and purple, white. So here I am giving the home, admissions, and calendar. Here vision to find the solution. This is fixed. See, now even though if you scroll the page, it's just fixed. And here I am inserting the 3 images. Position is as relative, so it is here, here, and here. And this is also the same thing. And here I am giving the say paragraph, and here this one I am giving some color. And then at last whatever you write outside the HTML is given here. So in this way we are going to use the Advanced CSS3. Thank you for watching, guys.